In this short video tutorial, we will understand how to use the logical operators when writing conditional statements using the C programming language. If you remember from our previous videos, the logical operators help us check whether multiple conditional statements are all true or is some of them false and some of them are true. Mostly we will be using two logical operators. One is the AND operator, which is written as double ampersand sign, and the OR operator, uh, which is written with this sign with two vertical lines. So the AND operation says that if the condition on the left hand side and on the right hand side both are true, the result of this operation will be true. The OR condition says that whether if the result of the left hand side or the result of the right hand side is true, then the OR condition will return the value as true. Now let's see how we can use the and OR operators when writing simple conditional statements using the C program. So let's start by writing a very simple C program. I've created the main function, and in this function I've created a variable a and I've given it a value 5. Now I'm writing a conditional statement. Notice how I will be writing this statement. So inside the if block, I'm writing if a is equal to 5 is equal to 5 and a modulus 2 is equal to 0, then print a, else print b. Now look at the conditional statement that we have written. Now this statement says if a is equal to 5 and at the same time a is also even, and as you can understand that if a will be equal to 5, a cannot be even. So therefore if the left hand side will be true, the right hand side will be false, and if the right hand side will be true, the left hand side will be false. Therefore the AND operator, the AND logical operator, it will never find a situation where both the left hand side and the right hand side are true, because either the left will be true or the right will be true in this case. Therefore the else part will execute, but the if part will not execute, because the if condition will only execute if the result of this complete statement is true, which is not possible given the code that we have written. So if we run this program, you will notice that the answer is B, because the code inside the else statement has been executed. So this is an example to show you how to use the AND operator. You can also put round brackets on the left hand side and on the right hand side of the AND operation. This means that this code will be treated as one block of code, the second one will be treated as the second block of code, and both their logical results will be given to the AND operator, and the AND operator will decide whether to give the final result as true or false. Now let's see how the OR operator works. So let's change this condition. Let's say if a is greater than 5 or a is odd. So the OR operator says that if the left hand side is true and the right hand side is false, I will return a true, and if the left side is false, right side is true, I'll return a true, and if both sides are true, again I will return a true. So the OR operator will only return a false when both the left and the right hand side are false. So in this condition, let's give the value of a as 3. Now when the if condition will run, it will first check whether the value of a is greater than 5, and the result will be false because the value of a is 3. Then the right hand side will run, which says that whether a is divisible by 2 or not. So we are checking for the condition that a should not be divisible by 2. So the value of a is 3 and it is not divisible by true. It is not divisible by 2. Therefore, this right hand side will give the result as true. So therefore, the complete result that the OR condition will give us will be true because the right hand side will be giving us the value true. Therefore, when we run this program, we will see that A will be printed on the screen. So let's run this program and see that the final result that has been printed on the screen is A. So this is how the OR operator gives us the logical result by evaluating the left hand side and the right hand side of the equation. So you can also put round brackets around the left hand side and the right hand side. By putting the round brackets, the left and the right side will be treated as separate blocks of logical statements, and this will give you the power to write more complex logical statements within the round bracket itself. So with this, I hope you have understood how to use the and the or logical operators in your C programs. So with this, we will end our short tutorial here. To access our complete C programming course, please visit openeschool.com/learnc. Also, please subscribe to our channel to get regular updates on the new videos that we post.